today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, so Bitcoin is crashing and everyone is asking how low is Bitcoin crashing? What will be the bottom of this crazy, scary crash right now for Bitcoin? I want to talk about that in this video. Thank you so much for your support recently, the likes, the comments and everything. I truly appreciate it. The last videos were going through the roof, and I think the video 2 days ago broke literally all records on likes and comments. Thank you very much for that. Sometimes it's getting a little bit loud here on the street, but I want to jump straight into the charts. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for your support and for your love. I'm sitting here in my golf caddy, actually driving through Ibiza, coming directly from the sauna, but obviously this doesn't hold me back making these videos. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is breaking lower right now, actually breaking the 11-year support here to the downside significantly. We should keep in mind that this happened a few times in Bitcoin history. We broke it in 2015, we broke it in 2020, and actually just snapped back very quickly. And the question is the same thing here happening once again? Are we breaking it right now and then going to snap back very, very quickly? If you are asking me, I would say yes. And if you're asking me, this is exactly what I wish and desire for Bitcoin. But the question is this what's actually going to happen? And I want to talk about this. I want to pull out one indication, which is pointing towards a very specific price target. First of all, I want to show you this trade here, and look at it, 73% in a loss, 87,000. And the next order, if I'm going over to order, is already in at 18,200 US dollars, which will put my liquidation price from 18,100 down to 17,500. I have to probably deposit even more if Bitcoin is going lower, and it really hurts. And it is something which is not recommended for everyone. It's only for experienced traders scaling up a trade, because you need significantly more every time you are scaling it higher. But obviously at one point of time Bitcoin will have reached the bottom. I just hope it's not gonna be towards the 12,000 US dollar areas or whatever what people are claiming, because then I have to put in a huge amount of money to soak up this dump. So what you can see here, Bitcoin is going lower. We broke the Fibonacci golden pocket. This is something I talked about earlier, which was a very important level to hold. I said I think we are going to hold it, but I also said the moment we break it, it's gonna go south. Unfortunately, we broke it, and now the next area of support is actually the 78.6, 17,400, 17,300 US dollars respectively on that specific dump here. And if I am actually deleting this and I am pulling out the next one here, oops, sorry, then you can see that actually every time Bitcoin was reaching, sometimes even surpassing the 78.6. You can see it here in the last bull cycle, bear cycle as well. We were even going lower than that. In fact, 20%, right? So this doesn't mean anything, but it at least gives us some kind of ballpark estimation how low we could go on that dump. 17 to 18,000 US dollars is at least what the chart is saying. This is what I am hoping myself, because this trade could turn out into a very, very expensive piece of fun here. We are already 76% down now, 6% lower than in the beginning of that video. I have this order here and I have to hurry up if this dump is dumping further lower. Let's see what is going to happen. Let me know down below what is your target. And obviously I don't want to leave you hanging here. Actually at Crypto on my Twitter account, I was posting that my friend who predicted the 69,000 US dollar high for the bull market high for Bitcoin is now predicting an 18,000 Bitcoin bear market low. I told you about this guy before. It's a friend of mine. He's not very public. I lost the bet against him because I was predicting higher. He predicted 69,000. Let's see if he is right this time. I hope so. 18,000 would be still something we could bear, but usually that's not how bear markets work. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go for some food right now. I'm gonna leave this beautiful golf caddy, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.